my cuzzies, ko Buzz the Cuzzaho, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, I'm playing with these instruments. Can you guess what they all have in common? That's right, they're all wind instruments. They all require wind to be played, and the wind will be coming in the form of my breath. Let's have a look at them. Look at this cute little one. It's in the shape of a manu. It looks like a woodpecker. Let's see what it sounds like, eh? Whoa, that sounds so cool. Gotta do it again. Whoa, you're amazing, little manu. Okay, what's next? Oh my goodness, the recorder. I love this instrument. My mum loves it as well too. Here we go. Beautiful. Okay, what do we have next? We have this one. This one sounds like this. That sounds like a raki ne. It sounds like a duck. I could probably call the ducks with this. Come here, duck. Come here, duck. Okay, what do we have next? Oh, look at this beautiful one. Let's hear it. Whoa, and look at all the beautiful colours it has as well too. Amazing. Next up is a tonga puoro. I call this one a putorino. Okay, let's see what it sounds like, eh? Oh. Sometimes, when you can't play it right, you just have to adjust your mouth around and the pressure of your breath to find its rangi. Maybe this way. That sounds a little bit better. I've got to keep practicing. Maybe if I practice enough, I can become a master at playing the putorino. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, this is a bottle that I found. I wanted to see if I could make this one sing. No. Whoa, that made a really deep sound. Okay, what's next? Oh, another tonga puoro. Check this one out, my cuzzies. This is called a pu moana. It's really, really special because it actually comes from the moana. It comes from the bottom of the ocean. I love this one because it looks so awesome as well too. Listen to the way it sounds. Pretty flashy. Oh, I love these instruments. Hey, which one's your favourite? This one? That one? Oh, you like the manu? I like the manu as well too. It makes such an awesome sound. I think my favourite is the putorino though. Even though I can't play it yet, I still love it because I know I'm going to practice my hardest and become a master at playing the putorino. Hang on a second, I've forgotten one instrument. It's the harmonica. Listen to this. Hold on. One more try. Still got it. Ka kite anō e te whānau. All right, now, to master the putorino,